Hey guys, I can't believe what sugar did to my engine. Now I know you've heard all about the horror stories. This has been going on since 1950 for over 70 years, and from a Bosch engineer, the ones that make the fuel filters, a lot of other great filters, oil filters and so forth, have stated that, hey, let's get to the bottom of this once and for all. A sugar granule is about 200 microns. The fuel filter, much less than that for a typical average. Now, so it'll definitely keep out the sugar. However, since the sugar will not dissolve in gasoline, more than likely it's going to stay down in your gas tank. So if somehow it works its way into the system, there's a sock surrounding the fuel filter to filter out debris as well. Then if it makes it past that, it'll work its way to the inline filter that I just spoke to you about. If it somehow makes its way past this, then there's little filters on the fuel injectors. Moreover, the only thing it'll probably cause to happen, it could possibly burn up your fuel pump. It can change the flow rate, cause it to burn up, clog up, or your fuel injectors, it can clog things up. Now, definitely, you don't want to experience these problems. So if you suspect someone sugared your tank, the first thing you should do, stop immediately, don't drive the vehicle, don't take any chances, drop the tank, clean it out really well. You'll probably still be able to use the same fuel pump, but you need to check the flow rate to make sure it hasn't been damaged. Now guys, have you or someone you know actually experienced this problem? I hope not. Or do you know someone that's did it? Now when I was younger, I was a kid, I knew of some people that had did some crazy things like this using sugar, oil, and so forth. And yes, I seen them pull the car back on a road back, a tow truck of sorts. And yeah, so it did do some damage. I don't know the length of it. I wasn't really involved. I just kind of seen from the outside. So I'm hoping you guys can share your knowledge and experience about this so we can finally put this to rest. Is this true? What part of it's true? What can it cause or do? As always guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.